Welcome to the MadLearn Flashcards tutorial. The Flashcards template has a variety of uses. You can create a drill and practice screen, or you can use it to break down subtopics into short descriptions. Let's start by clicking the Add Screen button, then the Flashcards template. Give the screen a name. This template uses two code languages. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is in charge of specific content elements. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet, controls the general look and sometimes actions of a screen. Let's look at the HTML code. Lines 1 through 8 are general placeholder lines of code to get us started. There is a gap before the code for the first card, lines 12 through 25. Notice that line 16 contains the words, "Your text here." Let's change the card's title to Patches. The back of the card has the words, "Put your answer here," found on line 21. Follow the same steps to change the words on this side of the card. Line 14 shows the source, as a URL address, for the card's background image. Leave this template and open your photo gallery template from a previous tutorial by clicking My Screens. Click on the thumbnail of the photo you want to use here and copy the URL address. Delete the existing URL address from the image source line. Be careful to only delete what's inside the parentheses. Replace it with the URL address you copied from the photo gallery template. There are other easy things you can do in HTML. Line 16, for example, you'll notice tags for the word patches. Changing the P for paragraph size text to H1 for the largest header option makes the text larger. Explore things that can be changed in CSS as well. For example, you can make the images stand out more by changing to a lower opacity setting. You can find that on line 74. After another few line breaks, the HTML code for the second card appears. Follow the same sequence. There are 8 cards on the template. If you want fewer, just delete the set of code that goes with that card. To add more cards, just copy and paste a set and add it after the last card code set, but before the last tag. Good luck!